What is up, guys? Welcome back to the shop. I'm Greg from Masterson's Car Care, and today we're going to show you one of our best combos for detailing any type of vehicle that we love using here at our Masterson's Car Care factory store, and that's going to be our waterless wash and ceramic combo. So this is our best-selling combination of two of our best-selling products. They work great together, and it's going to make your car extremely clean, save you a lot of time, and give you that amazing shine with ceramic technology. Now, everything we use in this video you can pick up on our website, mastersonswax.com, where you can get everything you need to get your car looking great. So what is our waterless wash and ceramic combo? Now, first, we're going to use our Masterson's Car Care Waterless Wash and Shine. Now, this is our waterless wash and shine. It's 100% biodegradable and eco-friendly, and it requires no buckets and no hose. So you can wash your car anywhere, anytime. Takes off dirt, grime, road tar, brake dust, overspray, rail dust. This is an amazing product, and it's sprayable, so you need no bucket and no hose. Now, after we wash the car with our Masterson's Waterless Wash and Shine and our green microfiber towels, we're going to take the paint to the next level. Now, here at Masterson's Car Care, we love taking stuff to the next level, so we're going to use our ceramic spray sealant to give an amazing shine and amazing protection, and that's where we bust out our Masterson's ceramic spray sealant. Now, this is going to give 6 months of protection to the car that we just cleaned. So we first wash it, and then we top it with our ceramic spray sealant. That way, the car stays cleaner for longer. It has a beautiful, brilliant shine, and we can apply this anywhere, anytime, even in direct sunlight. Remember, you can pick up the Masterson ceramic spray sealant and the waterless wash right now on our website, mastersonswax.com. And let's show you how to do this combo. Now, we got this extremely dirty S550 Mercedes. This car has water spots, it has some rail dust and some airplane fuel stuck to the paint. How are we going to get this off? We're going to first use our Masterson's Waterless Wash and Shine. Now, this thing is dirty. It's got over 250,000 miles on this Mercedes. The paint sounds nasty. Just listen to that. It's got a lot of overspray and contamination on the paint. It just sounds bad. So we're going to fix it today with our Masterson's Waterless Wash and Shine. Now, let's get detailing. Now, what you do to use this combo is first shake up the bottle, and then we're going to go ahead and spray it on the surface. Now, I love this product because it stays where you spray it, and it gives amazing coverage. I'm going to give a nice full coverage to this area. This car's been sitting outside for over 6 weeks out here. That's a long period of time, and a lot of storms have happened. It's rained twice, and it's got a lot of industrial overspray on it. Now, we're out here in an industrial area in Los Angeles, California, and this area has a lot of contamination. It's all sticking to this paint. So now I take my first microfiber towel, I fold it in 4s, and let's go ahead and wipe in one direction. And we're going to pull off all the dirt, all the grime as we wash. There we go. It's all coming off into the microfiber towel. This car has a lot of industrial contaminants in the paint, and that's just from sitting outside and being exposed in this industrial area. Look at all the dirt that's coming off. Look at that one. It's actually some airplane fuel that was taken off. I'm going to go ahead and flip my towel over to a clean side. Here we go. And we'll work our way up. Now, we're already getting amazing shine just from one quick wipe of our Masterson's Waterless Wash and Shine. All the dirt coming off into the microfiber towel. You see it right here. You see it on this side. All that dirt's coming off, and you want to flip the microfiber towel often as you wash. Now, after we go ahead and clean all the dirt off, let's flip it to a clean side, and we're just going to give it a light buff. This paint's already feeling much better, this beautiful metallic paint. It's looking a lot better too. I actually didn't know this car was metallic until we started washing it because it had so much dirt just muting the metallics and ruining the paint shine. If you even look over here, look at all the water spots that are over here, and you come over on this side, we've already taken all the water spots off, and it was that quick. We didn't use a bucket, we didn't use water, it was that easy. Now, after we wash all of the dirt off the car, let's go ahead and use our Masterson's ceramic spray sealant. Now, our spray sealant is designed to protect the car for 6 months, and you can apply it in direct sunlight. So we take this, we shake it up, and we activate it, and this has real ceramic additive inside this solution. That means it's going to repel dirt, it's going to repel water spots, it's also going to repel UV solar rays and stains. So it's going to make this car stay cleaner for longer. So let's take our ceramic spray sealant and spray it on the car. There we go. What you want to do is you want to give a nice coverage, just like that. And now we're going to grab one of our superior blue microfiber towels. This is a silk line microfiber. I love using this silk line microfiber towel to apply our ceramic spray sealant because it just pushes the product into the paint. Now, the way you apply our ceramic spray sealant is you want to push it into the paint. You want to make sure that it's pushed deep into the pores. And if you're doing it outside, you can always make sure you can spray a little more in these vents up here and make sure you get nice coverage on the paint. You want to make sure that it's massaged into the paint. That's the most important thing. paint is porous and our ceramic additive is designed to sink into the pores of the paint and then give a completely brilliant shine with a super high gloss. Now I just went ahead and flipped my towel over and you wipe it off because our ceramic spray sealant bonds instantly to the paintwork. And already we have an amazing shine. That's why this is one of our best-selling combos at our Masterson's Car Care factory store is gonna be our Waterless Wash and Shine and our ceramic spray sealant. This combo right here, #1 winning combo. You can pick it up online on our website, mastersonswax.com. And look at the shine. We're able to wash the vehicle in just a few minutes. We're actually gonna clean this whole vehicle right after this video, and we're gonna do it very quickly because that's what the Masterson's combo is all about. The Waterless Wash Ceramic combo is great for washing any vehicle, anytime, anywhere. That's the most amazing thing about this solution. If you guys want to pick this up, go to our website, mastersonswax.com, where you get everything you need to get your car looking great. And we're gonna go ahead and finish the rest of this car. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to click that subscribe button and check out all the other videos we have right here on our channel. I'm gonna get to work. We'll see you guys next time. And always remember, have fun, stay clean, and keep on detailing.